Chris, what do you need to say to complete? So you're free.
Yeah, very similar. Grateful for everyone who's turned up. Like I say, it's going to be difficult to come along to something like this. And for Julian as well. He has been he's been having that the mutual coaching as well.
Yeah.
And helping him to achieve his goals. It's been probably a bigger part of it, or the bit that's noticeable more is more me helping him.
Yeah.
So you get more out of it through that than you ever would on your own. Yeah, so that's.
Yeah, tell us a bit more. What did you get from helping him? Because as part of the course, you're coaching the other person, they're coaching you. And what did you get from helping Julian? Forgetting about yourself. I know we're doing the course for ourselves, like we all, me kind of people. We want. But you forgot about you, and you actually put your mind and effort into making someone else's dreams come true. What is that like?
Yeah, I mean, it's probably good. It probably made me because I've been through what he wants before. I've done what his goals. I've worked. In my case, it was Hawaii, where I worked remotely for 2 months. So having that experience and being able to give someone else the lessons of that and advising him on. Cause I've been to Thailand as well, so I've told him like where he should go to and how he doesn't need to worry too much about getting internet access and things like that. So being able to pass that experience on, which otherwise would just be a nice memory for me, but being able to use that experience and pass that on to someone else is a big valuable part of the course.
Great.
And also explaining and getting the course and the materials, explaining it more and get my own lessons from it.
Yeah, and Julian, what do you need to say to Chris?
Yeah, actually, I was just totally missed that one. Yeah, I'm just obviously thank you as well for us supporting each other from the day one to the day. We always kind of had had the ups and downs, and then we always go through it together. Which is you kind of saw our weak sides, and then we're trying to help each other, try to explain things from your own experiences. Yeah, and I'm glad we stick to the end. So obviously because of you and Chris, of course, it was teamwork. So brilliant. Yeah.
And Chris, for me, it's like, I know you may not think you've done it. You showed up, and you took on conversations that were very difficult for you to take on, and you really did it. So that's my thing for you. Seeing how when everyone goes through their own journey, and you went your own particular journey, and you're still here, and you accomplished things that were big things for you. Now, for other people, that might be small things because he's accomplished a lot in his career in business, but there were personal things like they called soft skills. I don't know anything soft about those things. They are actually hard skills. Soft skills are making money and all that. It's easy to do that. But the hard skill is getting related to people, having a family that works, being able to talk to your dad without having any issues. Those are tough. They're not soft. So thank you for doing everything you did to do that part of your life work and giving us the privilege of making a difference to Julian. Thank you.